Good morning, students. As you can see, in last PDF, I had sent you solution up to question number 11, and I had explained also. So today I will be explaining you from question number 12. Although I had explained few things during online class, both I I am trying to explain what I had explained in online class also. That also solution I am sending you. If you will see, these all are books page, okay, and below than that, after the book page, if you will see, there is my solution, okay. So in question number 12 there was simplify. If you remember, yes, there was simplify once by estimating and once actual. If you will see 12 number page, again I want to show you, then again I will be coming back quickly over here. So there is question number 12, as you can see, okay. So here estimate it is, okay, estimate. Then already I had said, whenever it is saying estimate, we have to estimate up to its highest place value, and if you will see here, highest place value is 10,000. So I had estimated it to its nearest 10,000. So if you will see my solution, I had just estimated to nearest 10,000, and estimated sum also I had given, and actual sum also I had given, actual solution also I had given. If you will see, I had written over here actual. At first I added because first two numbers were in addition. Here I had written the question, and it is 56924. I hope all of you can see it properly, whole page, okay. Now what I did, I add first, because at first the two numbers were in addition. So 9 to 11, you can see 1, and carry 1 is there, okay. So 1 and 5 6, 6 and 4 10, 0, carry 1 will be there. Again 6 and 1 7, 7 and 6 13, 3, carry 1 will be there, so 1 will go over here. 4 and 1 5, 5 and 5 10, 0, carry 1, and 9 to 11 and 1 12. So now what we will be doing, we will be simply subtracting, okay. We will be simply subtracting the next number, what is there, 56924, that is 56,924. we will be subtracting from 12,301. So what happens, from 1 4 will not go directly, so we will be taking carry from this 0, okay. Although 0 will not give, but 0 will take from this 3, so it will become 10, and again this 10 will be giving 1 to this, so it will become 11. 11 minus 4 is 7, and here it will be 9, so 9 minus 2 is 7, and now here it leaves 2. Again 9 is bigger than the 2, so again this 0 will be taking carry from this 2, so this will become 1, and this will become 10, and again this 10 will be giving 1 carry to this 2, so it becomes 12. 12 minus 9 is 3. Now here it is 9, 9 minus 6 is 3, now it is 1, so 1 taken carry, so 11, 11 minus 5 is 6. So its actual simplification is 6,377, okay. Now when we estimate, if you will see here, in 1000 place there is 4, so when it is rounded up, it becomes 20,000. Here in 1000 place it is 5. Why? Because it is less than 5. 4 is less than 5, so nothing will be added, and all will become 0, okay. So it will become 20,000. The same way, if you will see below, there is, in thousands place there is 5, so what will happen, 1 will be added to 9, and all will become 0, so it will become 1 lakh, okay. 9 plus 1 10 will be, so it is in 10,000, so 10,000 becomes 1 lakh, okay. Now while estimation addition, it will of course 0 added 0, 0 added 0, 0 added 0, 0 added 0, 2 added 2 and 1. So 1,20,000. Okay. Now we have to subtract 56,924 also. So estimation of this 56,924, since 1000 place is more than 5, 6 is over here, so 1 will be added and it will become 60,000. So from 1,20,000, 60,000 is subtracted, so it becomes 60,000. I hope all of you understand this. So it becomes 1,20,301, okay, minus 56,924, so it becomes 63,377. Okay, and same estimation I had written in simplification form also. You can see 24,659, when converted to nearest 10,000 it becomes 20,000, and when this 95,642 converted to nearest 10,000 it becomes 1 lakh, and when this 56,924 converted to nearest 10,000 then it becomes 60,000. So 1,20,000 minus 60,000, it becomes 60,000. Now there is hot section. If you will see here in the question, after this question number 12 there comes hot section, which I had already said. Hots means what? Higher order thinking. This one number already I had explained during the online class also. What you have to do is you have to subtract 4-digit greatest number from 6-digit greatest number, and you have to add 1, because it has been said 1 more than. What is 1 more than? Difference of greatest 6-digit number and the greatest 4-digit number. So if you will see, same thing I had done. At first I had written greatest 6-digit number is equal to 999. You can see over here. Here greatest 6-digit number is equal to 9,99,999, and greatest 4-digit number is equal to 9,999, and their difference becomes 9,90,000. Why? Because from 9,000 gone, 999 gone, so 9,90,000 left. Now in question it has been said, what is 1 more than the difference of 6-digit greatest number and 4-digit greatest number? So 1 you have to add over there. So again we have written again 1 more than, their difference is equal to 9,90,000 plus 1, that means 9,90,001. Okay. In same way, if you will see question number 2, okay, here what is here? Cost price of land, that is CP. If you will see, here it is about cost price and selling price of land. Okay, about this cost price and selling price of land, you will read in better way in 6 and 7 class, but here the concept has been given, so you should understand. And last time also during online class I had explained you what profit means. Profit means selling price minus cost price, and here also you have to estimate the profit. So for estimating profit you will estimate also cost price and selling price, although it has been not said over here to estimate that also, but estimation we will be doing in cost price also and selling price also. Okay, so let's see. I had written over here question number 2. At first I had written here cost price of land. If you will see, yes, here cost price of land CP. CP means cost price is equal to rupees 2,59,700. Selling price of land SP is equal to rupees 3,50,000. Actual profit becomes what? Here I had not written, you can write it. Always profit becomes, if selling price is bigger, then there becomes profit. When we buy in low cost and sell it in high cost, then there is profit. So when selling price is bigger, then profit becomes selling price minus cost price. So here we had subtracted SP minus CP. I had not written, you can write it by yourself also, SP minus CP. So now 3,50,000 minus 2,59,700. Okay. So what happens when we subtract it? I had actually subtract in horizontal way only, but you can use vertical way of subtraction, like 0 minus 0 is 0, 0 minus 0 is 0, but 0 minus 7 it will not be. So again what will happen, this 5 will be giving carry 1 to this 0, it will become 10, and again this 10 will be giving carry 1 to this 0 and it will become 10, and this will become 9 and 4. So from 10 goes 3, it is how much? From 10 goes 3, that means, sorry, from 10 goes 7, then it is 3. Here this is 10, 100, and here it is 700. So 10 minus 7, it becomes 3, and here it is 9, and 9 minus 9, if you will see, okay, here it is it will become 2, 4, 9, and here also 9. Okay, in subtraction I think there is mistake. There is 9, so 9 minus 9, it will become 0. Sorry students, you will be writing there what? 0. Why? Here it will remain 9, and here also it is 9. So here it will be 0. By mistake it has been written 8. Subtraction it is wrong, so you will subtract by yourself, and even you will try to match the answer. Okay. So what will happen? Here 9 minus 9 will become 0, and then after here it will be 4, and then after 1 taken carry from here, so 14 minus 5, it will become 9. So 90,300 it will be, not 98,000, it will become 90,300. You should understand, there should be not 8, there should be 0. Now in estimated cost price of land, I have written ECP, means estimated cost price, is equal to rupees 3 lakh. Why? Because if you will see, there is 5, in 10,000 there is 5. So I had said, in 10,000 if there will be 5 or more, then in nearest lakh what will happen? 1 will be added. So 1 had been added and it became 3 lakh. And in same way, if you will see SP, there is also 3 lakh 50,000. So in 10,000 there is 5. So what will happen? 1 will be added to 3 lakh and all will become 0. So I had written estimated selling price of land is equal to ESP is equal to rupees 4 lakh. So estimated profit EP means estimated profit is equal to ESP, means estimated selling price, minus ECP, that means estimated cost price. So rupees 4 lakh minus rupees 3 lakh, that becomes rupees 1 lakh. Now if you will see objective moves over here, in question number this after this what section there is objective moves, if you will see. Okay, just now we are over here. Yes, here it has been said augment. Augment is the first number to which different numbers are added. So this augment will be 5, 7, 2, 6, 5 only, that is A1 will be the answer. A1 will be the answer. If you will see, I have written A1 only. So I hope you all had understood why A1 will be the answer, because augment is the first number to which other numbers are added. If you will see the second objective question, question number 2, okay, here it is, B, minuend. Minuend also is what? The number from which any other number is subtracted. So from 50, okay, 5,87,265, 92,560 is subtracted. So 92,560 is subtract and 5,87,265 is minuend. So minuend will become one number only. So answer of B also of objective moves is one number only. As you can see over here, I have written the same answer. Okay, and C, it is 2, not 3, it is 2. If you will see here, what is there in question number C? Okay, it has been said 78,798 plus 0 is equal to, when we add 0 to any number, there is no change in the number. That means it will become 78,798 only, which is in 2. So this will be the answer, C, 2. Now if you will see D number, it has been said 97,539 added to, if you will count, it is 1 lakh. It gives, so 1 lakh 97,539. If we add 1 lakh to 97,539, then it becomes 1,97,539. Even you can check it by adding. So I have written D, option number 3 as a right answer. If you will see over here, okay, here D, 3 is the right answer. Now if you will see true false, true false, true false it is. Why it is true false, true false? So let's see over here. Okay, when you will watch, then you can understand. Okay, so if you will see over here, statements are here. Two numbers added in order gives the same sum. So of course 5 plus 9, it is 14 only, and 9 plus 5, that is 14 only. So I hope you all understand. In same way, if you will see 2b number, 0 added to any number gives back 0. Okay, that is wrong. 0 added to any number gives back the same number. So this is false. 3 numbers added by grouping in any way gives the same sum. That means when we add 3 numbers by grouping in any way, it will give the same sum. There is no doubt. Like 2 plus 3 adding first and then after adding 5, then it will become 2 plus 3 5 and 5 plus 5 10. And if we add 2 plus 3 plus 5, 3 plus 5 we add first, then it becomes 8, and then after again we add 2, then it becomes 10 only. So I hope you all are understanding it. And even while explaining you the text, I had explained you that time. So now if you will see question number D, here it is, a number subtracted from itself gives 1. Okay, that is wrong. When a number is subtracted from itself, it gives 0. Okay, so this is false. If you will see, after that there is a section called work in mind. That means you have to find the answer in your mind itself. So now here is the question, what is the predecessor of largest 5-digit number? We know largest 5-digit number is 99,999. That means 5 nines. And predecessor means 1 less, so it will become 99,998. So I written the same over here. If you will see, 99,998 is the answer. Okay, if you will see one number, 99,998. And two number, if you will see, it is 9,999. Why the answer is 9,999? Let's see. If you will see the question over here, it is said the successor of a number, the successor of a number is the smallest 5-digit number. Successor means what? By adding 1. Okay, by adding 1 we get a smallest 5-digit number. That means when we subtract 1 from there, we get largest 4-digit number. And also I had said the largest any digit number successor is next digit smallest number. So what will happen? The answer will become largest 4-digit number, and largest 4-digit number is 9,999. So same thing I have written over there, 9,999. Now if you will see question number 3, there it is. If the number 2,60,511, okay, in the number 2,60,511, name the place that is occupied by 0. That means 0 occupies which place. So if you will see in answer, I had written the number at first and I have shown where is the 0. 0 will be at 1,000 place because it has been said 60,000. Okay, so 60,000 means what? 6 and 0, 60. So if you will see here, I had written, yes, 2,60,511. So 0 is at what place? Thousands place. Ones, tens, hundred, and then thousands. So I written thousands place by showing. Now if you will see question number 4, what was there? Let's see answer, then we will move there. Okay, in question number 4 it is 15,730. I have written the answer. 4A is there, that is 15,730. So student, already I had explained you question number 3, and yes, of course I was just explaining you work in mind itself. And in question number 4, if you will see, okay, let's see what is there in question number 4. Okay, after this chapter 3 will start. Okay. This is a scrolling method. Okay, I'll just click over here. You can see work in mind question. Yes. So here it is, question number 4. Round of 15,726 to nearest tens. When we are rounding up to nearest tens, then we watch ones digit. Ones digit is 6, which is bigger than 5. So 1 will be added to tens and it will become 15,730. And when we have to round up it to nearest 100, then we watch tens digit. That is 2, which is less than 5. So it will be 15,700. Nothing will be added to 7. And when you are rounding up to nearest 1000, then we are watching hundredth digit, which is 7, which is greater than 5. So what will happen? In 1000, 1 will be added and it will become 16,000. Same thing I had written over here. If you will see my sent solution, okay. At first 15,730, because 26 was there, so 6 rounded up to tens, and 1 it has been added to 2. And this is 15,700, because in tens there was 2, so nothing added. And here it is 16,000, because in 100 there was 7, so 1 added. Okay. Now what here it has been said in D number, if you will see 89 and 11, I had written an answer. So what was the question? So the answer became 89 by 11. So let's see. Yes, this is the chapter 3. Now, grouping of which two numbers in 89 plus 73 plus 11 will make the addition easier? Grouping of 89 and 11. Why I had said grouping of 89 and 11? Because 89 and 11 becomes 100. And 100 plus 73? 173. It becomes easier. Okay. So 89 and 11 I had written. Now here it is multiplication. What learners will achieve? Okay. Understanding and extending the process of multiplication of large number. Here we will be understanding and extending the process of multiplication of large numbers. We will know several multiplication processes. Properties of multiplication we will be reading in this chapter. Use of distributive property of multiplication over addition and subtraction to calculate the product efficiently. This we will be reading. Multiplication by 1000, 2000. Estimation strategies. Application of multiplication of large numbers in everyday life. These are the things which we will achieve after completing this chapter. So let's see. Before that there is warm up. What warm up is there? Just see. Multiplication as repeated addition. Multiplication is also known as repeated addition. Like 2 into 3 means 2 plus 2 plus 2. 3 times you are adding 2. 4 into 5 means either you can add 5 4 times or 4 5 times. We can add 4 plus 4 plus 4 plus 4 plus 4. So multiplication is also called repeated addition. Multiplication by one digit number without and with carrying. Here it has been explained. Properties of multiplication and multiplication by 10, 20, 30 and 100, 200, 300. So if you will see below, it is 214 into 3. Different ways of multiplication. Okay. Multiply 4 ones by 3. When we, here it has been showing 214 multiplied by 3. So what we will be doing, at first we had multiplied ones with 3, that became 4 3 is 12. Then again we had multiplied tens with 3, so 3 tens are 30, so 30 I had written. Sorry, in book it has been written product 1, product 2. So this multiplied 1, so product 1, again multiplied with 10, so product 2, and now again it will be multiplying with 100. So 200 into 3 it will become 600. So 600 you can write our see our written over here, and then after all the products added, because after this 2 there is no number. So add all the products, all has been added, and it becomes 642. So we can write 214 into 3 is 642. This is one method. Now if you will see over here, it has been shown, okay, 100, 10 and 1. This one wall is equal to 100, and then after one bar is equal to 10, and one brick is 100. So 214 into 3 means what? 200 it has been written. Then after ones, tens and 4 ones. Okay. Then after into 3, this means this will become 3 times. So 2 3 times will become 2 once, 2 twice and 2 thrice. And tens also becomes 3 times. So 10 once, tens 2 and tens 3. You will see one extra is there. From where it comes? Because 4 also becomes 3 times. So 4 3 times becomes 12. And in 12 there becomes a group of 10. So that group of 10 comes in tens. So it became 4. So altogether it becomes 600 ones, 40 ones and 2 ones. So it becomes 642. In this way also you can make. If you will see over here, there is also it has been shown 3 into 200 into 10 into 4. So 4 3 is 12, 10 3 is 30, 2 3 is 600. So 600 plus 30 plus 12, it becomes 642. Like this also you can multiply. And the smallest way is like this. You can see 4 3 is 12, 2 carry 1, 3 1 is 3 and 1 4. In same way 2 3 is 6. No? So the see multiplication, multiplier and product. The number which is to be multiplied by any number, that is called multiplication. The number which is multiplying the given number is called multiplier, and the result of multiplication is product. This definition I had given you. We can see in the same page in this PDF. Here I had it. The number which is to be multiplied is called, okay, I will make short so that you can watch it, okay, is called multiplicand. The number which multiplies the given number is called multiplier. The result of multiplication is called product. So these all definitions before making the exercise you will be writing as I had written over here. Now warm up exercise. There are few questions given in warm up exercise, if you will see. Okay, this is like you have to multiply. This is tens and ones, 42 into 2. So you can see short method I had used. So 2 2 is 4, 4 2 is 8. In same way 93 into 4 it was. So 4 3 is 12, carry 1, I had written over here 1. 9 4 is 36 and 1 37. If you will see over here 6 4 is 24, carry 2, 6 5 is 30 and 2 32. Again carry 3. So 6 1 is 6 and 3 9. So it becomes 924. And here 8 2 is 16, carry 1, I had written over here 1. 1, then 2 5 is 10 and 1 11. So again carry 1 will be here, I had forgotten to write. Okay, 2 2 is 4 and 1 5. So in this way one number has been done. And if you will see in question number 2, in 2 it is said find the product. 1 is done for you, that means 1 has been shown. Same like you have to do, like 7 2 is 14, 14 once written, then after 6 2 is 12, that means 60 10 it is. So 60 into 2 it becomes 120, 60 plus 60 120. Or 60 into 2, or in fact if it is after 1 digit, so 10 you will keep, and 6 2 is 12 you can write. In same way 6 4 is 24, after 2 digit is there, so 20 and 4 2 is 8 will be there. So now I added 4, 213, 819. So in same way I had made the other 3 questions. You can see over here. Here it is 3 5 is 15 I had written. Again 10, after 1 there is 10, so 10, then 3 1 is 3, and again 100 is there, so 20, 3 3 is 9. So I added 5, 3 1 4 and 9. If you will see over here 6 4 is 24, so 24 ones, 6 5 is 30, so 30 tens. Okay, in place of tens there will be 0, and 3 will be carried to 100. Now it is 100, so 6 into 100, 600. So in one sentence there will be 0, and in 100 6. Now again it has been added. It becomes how much? From here it has been multiplied. So 4, 2 and 6, 3, 9. If you will see the last question, it is 235 into 4. So 5 4 is 20, 0 and 2 comes in tens. Again now tens multiplication is there. So in ones comes 0 and 4 3 is 12. So 2 and 1 goes to hundreds. And now 100, 2 into 4 is 800. So 800. Okay, sorry, I had left to add. You can add it by yourself. Here it will be 0, 2 to 4 it will be over here and 9 will be here. So 940 will become the answer. So other multiplication also I had done. If you will see 40 into 2, 20. What happens when you are multiplying the numbers? Simply multiply the numbers and how many zeros are there behind. Simply you count and keep. 4 2 is 8 and 2 zeros is there. 13 3 is 39 and 1 0 is there. 25 4 is 100 and 1 0 is here. If you don't know, you can multiply it. Okay. 2 into 8 is 16 and 2 0 is there. 4 into 3 is 12 and 2 0 is there. 6 9 is 54 and 2 0 is there. Like this you have to do. Okay. If you will see question number 4, it has been said to write the missing numbers. Okay. You can see here it can be 4 also and 9 also. That depends upon the number. If I will keep over here 9, so 9 4 is 36. I will be writing over here 3. Okay. And here 4 1 is 4. So I did in 40. It was 40 only. So here it will be 1 only. So 4 1 is 4 will come. We can't keep any other number than the 1. Okay. And since it is 800 here only over here, because you have to write the numbers in the circles, missing numbers in the circle. So it will be 2 only over here. 4 2 is 800. So now it has been added. You can see 6, 415 and then after 8. So 856. If you will see B number, in B number also, here it will be 5 only, because 5 when multiplied with 5 then only it will become 5, 25. It was given. Here also 6 only, because 6 5 is 30, it will be 300. And here also 1 only, because there was 500. And then after it has been added, it becomes 825. 6 and 7, 5, 6 and 7, those all are multiplication. You can see one book price was given. So for getting 8 books cost price, we have to multiply it with 8. Like this, you can see 8 5 is 40, 0 carry 4, 8 2 is 16 and 4 20. Again 0 carry 2, 8 1 is 8 and 2 10. So in same way, 1 biscuit weight is given. So 7 such biscuits packets weight we will multiply with 7 and it came 945 gram, as this you can write. And in 7 number it has been said to compare. So we had multiplied at first and then we seen which one is bigger. 594 is bigger, so I written 198 into 3 is bigger than 248 into 2. That's all for today. You can see the time has also become 33 minutes. So thank you everyone, and do these all things, and whatever the doubt that we will be discussing during the online class. Thank you. Do work and read properly and take care of yourself. Thank you.